So today I'll be creating this Pachinko chapter 4 thumbnail for you in 3D. It's a little Pachinko reference there for those who understand what this means. Okay, let's get started with the sky portion, of course, with the sponge brush, mixing in gently. Watch till the end for a bonus feature, of course, and slowly just kind of mixing that in. And I've used a little basswood like this, curved style, to give that surround kind of look to it, and just kind of continuing to mixing that skies in. Let's get into the cloud portion of it. Using the fan brush with the blue and white, a little bit of gray, a little bit of black to add that neutral color to it, of course, and just gently starting to brush that in there. A little cloud action going with the fan brush, and gently just looking for that happy little accidents there, with the little pink towards the end of it to give a little bit of a little highlight, if you will. And here we are. Next portion is the ocean portion of it. I'm using the navy blue that I got from Home Depot the other day, and just kind of gently squeezing that in to give that effect. And this white color, this is why you have to get a new paint every now and then. I apologize for that. And just kind of spraying that in there, and using a palette knife to just kind of mixing those two colors in, to gently just kind of going back and forth, and see what happens there. And towards the coastline, I'm going to add a little bit more white to it to give that perspective with the brush, and just kind of a little bit of unmasking action there. And next, let's do a little deck for us, making the deck using the basswood that I bought from Amazon, gently cutting that in with the X-Acto knife, and just to give that perspective. And this is the shape that I came up with, mixing that in again with a little bit of dark brown with navy blue for you, just to eyeballing a little bit from the thumbnail, just to try to match what they have with what I can do with this color here. A little bit of highlight of lighter brown there for us. And here we are. We got this, and using the crazy glue, as you can see, to apply this and make it stick, hopefully, onto that shadow box. And there we have it. That's the deck. And here's the mother portion, of course. We're gonna use a little clay. This clay was supposed to be air dry clay, but I got the wrong one. This is supposed to be oven baked clay. And I'm just using a little sculpting action there, just to give that shape of the hanbok that she's wearing, Sunja's mother in this case, and painting the white base color as she is saying goodbye to her daughter for the last time. If you have watched that Pachinko episode 4, that's what this scene is about, and letting her go for the one last time here. And her daughter sails off to Japan to start her new life. So I'm just painting the black color here, back of her hair, just painting. I'm really bad with people, but I'm trying my best to copy this, eyeballing a little bit, and painting the hanbok, the color, the little bit of light blue, neutral blue color here, just trying to match it as much as I can, and gently brushing that in. And there you have it. That's the hanbok. And I just want to frame it a little bit, so I used the basswood once again, writing in gold those Korean characters, and just to kind of, oh, what is this? And here's a little LED light that I've installed that I haven't shown you yet, but be sure to stick around till the end, and I show you how I was able to create this piece for you. So here we are. A mother sends her daughter off to a foreign country, and this is how I created the LED light, and attaching it with a little Velcro, so it's easy to replace the batteries with later on, and crazy gluing it, of course.